Good afternoon. Welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Pure white Golf. Lovely 2-litre TDI. It's a GTD BlueMotion Tech DSG automatic Euro 6 ULEZ compliant. Wow. Okay, 68,000 miles. Had the cam belt done at 67,000 miles. Just had new discs and pads all round, cam belt and water pump replaced. Just driven it. Wow, drives beautifully. You can see new discs on the front, it's got new discs on the back, not covered in stone chips. Front park sensors, lovely daytime LED tick headlamps. Looks like it's got headlamp washers. GTD model. Okay, got those. I love the classic check sports seats, automatic gearbox, electronic handbrake, heated seats, DAB radio, Bluetooth, flat bottom multifunction steering wheel. Very nice. No wear on anything. All in a lovely condition. Just show you in the back, but it is like new. Privacy glass, little wind deflectors, rear park sensors, low parcel shelf is in there, super clean, space saver spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, wheel locking key, all in there. Very nice, very clean. Can't see any dents. Pretty looking car, drives so well, really does drive well. MOT till the 9th of January 2026, so very recently MOT'd. Automatic lights, flat bottom steering wheel, cruise control. It's got the radar sensor in the front bumper, so I think it's probably lock-on cruise control. Very nice condition, sensibly priced at £12,995. Golf GTD DSG automatic 2-litre TDI, 68,000. Cam belt replaced, cam belt and water pump replaced. Just had new brakes all round. Nice condition that. 12,995. Right, please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos. You can have a thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into our stock list. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.